Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you how to fastly access this option without any customization, and then we will go to the options connected with the eye comfort mode. So first of all you have to do is to unroll the top bar and unroll fully this panel. And as you can see, we've got this eye comfort icon. So basically, just by tapping on it, you will be able to set it to activate it. And you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or maybe amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this option is totally for you. You can of course turn it off just like that, and this is how to have fast access to it. If you want to know where you can find it in settings, and then let's simply tap on them. Here we have to scroll to find display and brightness and find eye comfort. Let's tap on it. So obviously before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let me pick enable all day, and as you can see right now we are more or less in the middle of the switcher. By going to the left, we can make it a little bit cooler. I mean, the differences are not really that visible, but still. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. I would not say it's orange, but warmer for sure. Of course, just set it like you want to. Here we've got the scheduled option, which simply means that you won't have to manually turn on and off this eye comfort. You can set particular schedules, so the start and the end time, and every day your device will use the schedule and automatically turn on the eye comfort mode. It's up to you. I think I will stick with this option. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Honor X6. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.